action.
Right? Hiya. Uh-oh. Big. All the piggies are down, and King Pig, he's gone.
And that's the golden egg?
Yeah. There's the 5 eggs.
Cool.
Helmet Piggy. Here's the King Piggy. King Piggy. The mustache Piggy. I changed this pig, by the way. And there's the basic Piggy, which is quite small.
What is this one again?
The helmet pig.
Helmet pig?
Yeah.
Okay. I look at the helmet pig. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay.
These are the piggies. Or you can also know them as pigs. Each of these are hiding in a fort. And they're in it too. And there, over there, are some angry birds. We're gonna throw them at the pigs. 3, 2, 1.
Boom.
We have killed the pigs. And there's, as you can see, the Kapla blocks, like wood for the fort. It's all over the place. Don't worry, Dad. The eggies are okay.
Good.
It would have been bad if they broke.
Yep.
The notes would probably spill.
Mm-hmm.
The birds would have been so sad, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
As you can see, 2 red birds have been saved after the crash. These are the pigs. They had built in their special pig hotel using lots of wood. But there over there are some angry birds, which are red birds. I have one red bird, which has a pretty funny face. A red bird with a marker red ball and a couple of plasticine. And there's my plasticine red bird, which has a little spoiled beak. Oh, careful. I'm going to throw this bird at the top. I wonder what would happen. Would you know what would happen?
I think if he hits it, it's going to be a big crash and a fall down.
3, 2, 1.
Crash.
We have killed the pigs. Whoa, pigs are stranded everywhere. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
The pigs are stranded everywhere. Look at those golden eggs. They must have got hit.
Yep.
When the river hit the building, the bigger homer pig suddenly he had been crashed out of sight.
Mm-hmm.
There's the big mustache pig, the pig, and the smaller helmet pig we have there. We have the smaller helmet pig. Just well, right now the pigs will have their hotel spoiled.
Mm-hmm.
On my next scene, they will build a different hotel.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, cut. This is a flat pancake pig. While I was getting the bird, I had suddenly flattened it with my foot because I accidentally stepped on it. And I stepped on it 2 more times, and it's flat like a pancake. Let me just... let me just make a little crack in him. Now it looks like some of the pancake have been in. Doesn't he?
Yep.
Cut.